Scilab programming. Initials in English for Scientific Laboratory. Is a software to be used in numerical calculation environments. It is a high-performance tool, used in situations that require solutions based on complex numerical calculations, being manipulated interactively or through programming. Scilab is part of a group of software that simulates a numerical computing environment, such as MATLAB, Octave, Maple, Simulink, NumPad, etc. Among these, the best known is MATLAB, Matrix Laboratory. The difference is that while MATLAB is proprietary software, Scilab is open source. This means that its use is free, although the distribution is subject to the type of license. For more information about Scilab's history, we suggest accessing the website scilab.org. The link can be found in the video description. Scilab includes hundreds of mathematical functions. It has a high-level programming language that allows access to advanced data structures, 2D and 3D graphical functions. Many features are included in Scilab: control, simulation, optimization, signal processing, and SCOs. The modeler and simulator of hybrid dynamic systems that are provided with the platform. Key features of Scilab: by capabilities, numerical analysis, data visualization, algorithm development, application deployment, by functional fields, mathematics, optimization, statistics, signal processing, control system. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video.